Hello and welcome another new Shopify custom section development video. Today I will show you how to create a SEO optimized Breadcrumbs section. First log it into your Shopify dashboard, then click online store, go to theme option. Here you can see three dot menu. Simply click the three dot menu, then click edit code. After that you can see open a code editor dashboard. Yes, here we can simply edit our code for Shopify Breadcrumbs tab. Okay, first collapse all tab. First step, you need open cart product file. Simply copy cart product. Here you can search card product. Yes, go to snippet folder. You can see card product dot liquid. Click here. We need to find this code. Okay, simply copy. Go to the card product file editor. Here you can click Ctrl F. Simply click Ctrl F. Yes, and Ctrl V. Press enter. You can see we find our exact code. Simply we need here add a code. This code is here. Select this code, copy and paste here. Okay, actually this code we need to add it only down theme. If you are using the down theme, you need to use this code. Okay, then save it. After that we need to create a breadcrumb snippet. Simply copy this. Okay, go to snippet folder, add new snippet. Here you need to paste your file name. I want to use the file name called Breadcrumbs. Okay, breadcrumbs.liquid. Click done. Sometime you can see some existing code. You need to select all and remove the code. Okay, select the code and paste here. Simply save it. Okay, after that step 3, actually this is step 3. We need to update setting schema. Select this code, go to editor dashboard. We need find schema. Actually schema file is on the config folder. Okay, search the SCS schema. Okay, we can see setting underscore schema.json. Open this file. After first schema, here you can see, click here and press enter. Here simply paste your code. This is schema code, schema markup. Okay, save this. Finally we need to modify theme.liquid file. Simply select this code and copy. Go to Shopify dashboard code editor. Here we need to find theme.liquid. Okay, simply search here theme.liquid. From your keyboard you need to select Ctrl F. Yes, after that you need to type main content. Already we have find the main content section. Yes, finally we update the theme liquid file. Simply this code paste here. Save it. After that, we need exist the code editor. Go to customize option. Okay, go to setting option. Here you can see Breadcrumb navigation. Simply click here on this option. Here we can change Breadcrumb background color, Breadcrumb text color, Breadcrumb font size, padding. Yes, here we can see a error. Again, go back to theme liquid file, and we need to find line number 301. Yes, got it. Okay, I found the problem. Here is this is theme liquid file. Here we can see the error file does not exist, but we have already exist the file. Here is just problem with naming. Here we added a extra space. Just remove the space, rename file, and reload the customizing dashboard. I hope we can see the result. Yes, on this, save. We can see the result. Okay, click the product. Yes, here we can see the result. Okay, thank you so much. Please stay tuned us for more video.